Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are changing out the reverse lights on a 2010 to 2013 Acura ZDX. The light bulbs are located under this spot and this spot. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove the panel and access it from the underside. Alright, please hit the like and subscribe button down below. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so doing this light bulb replacement was pretty easy. I had a pack of 7440 light bulbs and flathead screwdriver and microfiber towel. And that's basically all you need. Alright, go ahead and pop your trunk. Okay, so you have this light right here. You need to take this panel off. So you'll see two little notches so you could fit a flathead screwdriver in there. Get a trim removal tool or flathead screwdriver, but make sure you use microfiber towel so you don't scratch up this plastic. I usually like to just use my hands and then I put my nails into the edge and then you pull down. So that way you don't really scratch. You see how, there we go. And this is the inside trunk light, so this isn't a reverse light. We don't have to remove that. Let's take a closer look so you can see what I'm looking at. All right, so now I'm in the trunk. So if you look right here, so here. So this is the back of the car right here. And looking at the underside, you'll see this little socket right here. There's a light plug right here. So you turn it counterclockwise, and it only it goes from there to there. Let me pull that out. So this bulb is bad. Go ahead and unplug it and plug your new one in. You remove that old light bulb, grab your new light bulb and plug it in. So this just presses in and you'll hear it click there. So here, this is it out, and this, there, click. That's basically it. Put it in here, make sure it goes in the same way you took it out. So make sure that notch right here, these are the notches on there. They line up to those notches in the socket, and then rotate right, click. And you're good to go. That's for the passenger side US model on the right side of the vehicle. So then to put this cover back on, make sure it lines up. There's two notches right there, like that, and then just press straight up. There. So when one side's done, I'll show you the driver's side left for US models. So you go over here, and this one doesn't have a light over here, but it's the same panel. We'll go ahead and remove this panel. You see how I can just put my nails on it, and then so this panel doesn't have a light, so it just disconnects completely. And here's that socket right here for the reverse light. And you can twist this, same thing. You twist it counterclockwise. There's the bulb, and then to put it back in, put it in like that. Make sure the notches line up. 4 notches, and then clockwise. Click, make sure it clicks because you want to make sure the light doesn't come back out. Let's go ahead and put the access panel back on. Done. All right, well, there you have it. That's how you change out the reverse lights on a 2010 to 2013 Acura ZDX. If you like more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll keep posting videos of my ZDX repairs. Thanks for watching.